how to do that. It's at nighttime. So one of the things that I want to make sure understand on that is that it's at nighttime when we want to hit the ringer, but also don't make the mistake of what I did last night and assume that they were asking for Jim Pena when they're asking for Jaime Reyes. So they might be asking for someone in the South Plant that you don't know, okay? So they might be calling for Jimmy, or they might be calling for Jim. So you got to make sure you ask for a last name to know where they're at, okay? So we want to make sure. All right. Remember yesterday we talked about honesty as what the second core value we were talking about. Today we want to talk about humility and gratitude, okay? There's a couple things when we talk about humility and gratitude. The number one thing is understand that there is more than one way to do something, okay? So you can't, there's more than one way to take care of an opportunity, okay? And then actually when we get more than one way, we have to be accepting to all the different ways people have opinions on how to do it, okay? We need to recognize it. We need to say thanks for their opinions, okay? We got to show gratitude for it, okay? So you got to be able to be humble enough to understand that your opinion or your thoughts might not be the best one, okay? And if there's even equal, show the respect to the person and take their opinion, okay? Show the humility, show the gratitude for what they're talking about, okay? I think that's a really strong one that we're working on, and all those build on respect, builds on the gratitude also, okay? And the honesty about what your opinion is and what your thoughts are. That makes a big difference when we're talking about that, okay? So we want to understanding that there's several correct paths to the opportunity while learning to listen, appreciate, and recognize those other opinions, okay? That's the perfect wording, but okay, does everyone understand what that means? I mean, it's hard to put up there without humble and humility, but it's really important, okay? All right, any questions? Preguntas? All right, thank you. And I know the closed captions weren't right.